Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 256 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be reviewing this LA Colors Double Take 2-piece eyeshadow that I got from the Dollar Tree recently. And I have this in the shade Fiery, but my Dollar Tree actually had this in a variety of colors, but I thought that this kind of like maroony, mauve-y combination looked pretty, probably more of a fall color, and I'm definitely getting into that fall makeup these days. And since this is from the dollar store, it was only $1 for both of these eyeshadows, and LA Colors is a cruelty-free brand. And so it's kind of funny to me that these come in two separate packages instead of just doing one package with both colors. But I guess LA Colors is trying to do something different, change it up a bit. Pretty good size pans though for both of these. I'm going to start out by swatching them. So here is the lighter shade. Ooh, nice texture to this. It feels kind of creamy. See how it swatches. Oh my gosh, that actually swatches so beautifully, so pigmented, and has such gorgeous metallic shine. Am I really using a $1 or more like 50-cent eyeshadow right now? Wow, that's beautiful. Now I'll go ahead and swatch the darker shade. Ooh, this one also has that beautiful creamy texture to this powder. Oh my gosh. This pigment is just as beautiful, just as good, just as shiny and metallic. And there actually is quite a difference between these two colors. In the packaging here, they look kind of similar, but once they're swatched, they're actually very different. And these are supposed to go together, but I probably wouldn't even on my own pair these colors together. But I mean, I guess they can work. Really, any colors can go together if done correctly. And these don't even claim to be metallic, but wow, they're so beautiful. And since these are metallic, I'm just going to go ahead and apply them with my finger to my eyelid so that we can really see how it looks. I'm gonna start out on this eye with the lighter shade. Wow. So now that I'm applying it to my eyelid, it's not as super pigmented as it originally swatched, but wow, still such a beautiful color. And I didn't put any eyeshadow primer on, but with this product, I would probably use some so that I can get as vibrant of a color as possible. And now I'll put the darker shade on my other eye. To me, this darker shade is applying more true to its swatch. It has really good pigment, really good metallic sheen to it. And it's interesting because now that I've applied the darker shade, which looks like a plum shade to me in the pan, it looks more reddish now that it's on my eye, and it's a really pretty color, really great for the fall. Okay, so here is what both of the eyeshadows look like. And for $1, I'm very happy with these. I think that they both are such pretty colors. They have not amazing pigment, but decent pigment. They have that nice metallic sheen, and so they have shimmer to them, but they don't have glitter in them. And even though I didn't use an eyeshadow primer, and I do have a lot of creases in my eyelids, this is not creasing on me at all. And this is a $1, basically 50 cents, an eyeshadow. So if you're looking to add some fun metallic colors to your eyeshadow collection, I highly recommend these LA Color eyeshadow duos. I feel like I always end up looking so funny when I make these review videos because now I have two different color eyeshadows on, and that's not typically a look that I would wear out in public, but you never know. This could be a trend. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.